Dawn dish soap, a pH-neutral liquid dishwashing degreaser introduced in 1973 and originally manufactured in blue. It also comes in a lot of other great colors like green, red, orange, and even pink. But Dawn dish soap isn't just for dishes, my friends. This stuff is dynamite and versatile. And so today I'm going over 4 amazing Dawn dish soap hacks that anyone can implement. So last year I did a video on how to clean a blender in 30 seconds, which is hack number 1 for today. If you missed that video, I will leave it listed and linked down below. But essentially, anytime you finish using your blender, whether you're using it to make mama's signature salsa or putting together a protein smoothie to build bigger biceps, add a couple cups of warm water, followed by a few small squirts of dish soap, flick the switch 30 seconds, rinse it out, and voila! Clean as a whistle. The second Dawn dish soap hack we're going to call squeaky and creaky. Is there anything more annoying than a squeaky door? I don't know about you, but a squeaky door makes me madder than a mime with Tourette's syndrome. No nuts! Dang it! Dang it! Now I can make that joke because I have Tourette's. My friends, forget dropping dinero on WD-40. If you got a squeaky hinge, just add your little Dawn dish soap to that hinge and silence the squeak once and for all. Dawn soap hack number 3 is using it as animal shampoo and also to kill fleas. So my wife and I used to have this dog. His name was Moses and he was a Great Pyrenees, which if you know anything about Great Pyrenees, they're supposed to have a job. You know, they're working dogs, they're livestock dogs. The dog was absolutely beautiful. Basically a Great Pyrenees is a big white 100+ pound large breed. And we loved this dog very much. It broke our hearts when we had to give him away, which is exactly what happened. We had him since he was a little puppy. We raised him until he was about 7 months old. But the dog, the thing about Great Pyrenees is if they don't have a job, they get destructive and they get bored. And so he would basically sit in our yard, which our yard was fenced at the time, but he would sit back there and bark out of boredom, keep us awake all night long. And he would dig holes in the yard, he was biting the siding off the house, and we ended up having to give him away to a farm. And the farm was great. You know, it was another Great Pyrenees for him to play with. Her name was Pyrenita, and they had goats and llama and chickens and plenty of acreage for him to run around on, and that was his new home. We gave him away, but I just remember how effective that Dawn dish soap was when we would wash him. We would wash him with Dawn dish soap and he was so white afterwards and looked so fresh and smelled so good. And so back in those days we discovered the power of Dawn dish soap when it comes to washing your pets. Here's a few photos of Moses for you. Another thing we've had over the years is a lot of kittens. Now if you know anything about kittens, you can't put flea medication on them because they're too young, too small. And I guess the medication is just bad for them. It could make them sick, could harm them, could kill them. I don't know the details, but you're not supposed to put flea medication on little kittens. And so when we would find kittens, when we would tame a wild cat and it was a mother and it would bring her kittens to us, because for whatever reason she started to trust us a little bit, you know. It's just a good thing. We love them. We love those little kittens. We'd pat them on the head, give them pets and love. But we would also give them baths because they would be covered in fleas a lot of times. And we discovered at that time the power of Dawn dish soap. So we just washed these kittens with Dawn dish soap and the fleas would disappear. Dawn soap hack number 4 is using it to remove hairspray in your bathroom. I guess this really isn't a hack as much as it is just knowing how to clean with Dawn soap, but the stuff does absolutely amazing on hairspray buildup. If you're in your bathroom and you use a lot of hairspray, that hairspray gets everywhere. It'll get all over your vanities, all over your sink, all over your toilets, all over your toothbrush holder, yes, even your mirrors. And I will tell you, Dawn dish soap works incredible when it comes to removing that stuff. Just get you like a microfiber cloth, dampen it, pour you some Dawn dish soap in that cloth, and just start wiping down your entire bathroom, everywhere where there's hairspray buildup, and watch that Dawn dish soap just completely remove the hairspray. Stuff works amazing for that. So that's it, guys. 4 amazing Dawn dish soap hacks. If you've never used Dawn dish soap before, what are you waiting for? My friends, every housekeeper needs a bottle of Dawn dish soap in his or her cleaning caddy. Use it in your bathroom, use it on your dishes, use it on your pets. Guys, link below. It's only like $5 for a 2-pack, so not only does Dawn crush it when it comes to clean, but it's also in an affordable and an incredible way of getting you one step closer to becoming the domesticated cleaning savage that I know you are.